In today's class, we are going to learn how to make phrasal verbs with the verb go. And this is part 3. Like go, let us learn into. Go into, go over, go into, go over. Then we can write go into, go over, go by. Clear? Go into, go over, go by. Then you can write go into, go over, go by, and what are the others? Okay, let's. I will remember and write. To make phrasal verbs with go into, when you enter. Go into means to enter a state. Okay, to enter a state. State means state of mind. Understood? Like he went into comma. He went into state of physical or mental state, depression. He went into depression. Okay, or you can say coma. He went into coma. Clear? Then you can write went, go into. If you went into to discuss, you can say discuss. Suppose somebody has told you to to talk about what happened somewhere, or maybe something very important. Okay, and your teacher, actually you requested your teacher to tell you the answer to a particular question. Then the teacher said to write the answer to the question, you need a lot of time. I don't have enough time to go into it over phone. Understood? So to go into is something means to to discuss something. Do you get it? I don't want to go into it over phone. Do you get it? I don't want to go into it. Understood? Over phone. I don't want to go into the matter over phone. Suppose somebody is telling you to say something and you want them to understand that it is impossible to go into that over phone, because somebody avoid discussing something over phone. Okay, go by means to be known. To be known. Like Peter, all the people call him Andrew. Okay, but in his family he goes by Andy. Understood? To be known, he is known in his family as Andy. He goes by Andy. You can say he goes by Andy, though he goes by Andy in school. You can say in school. He goes by Andy in school, though his parents call him Andrew. Understood? Do you get it? Though his parents call him Andrew, he goes by what? Andy. He is known as Andy, or he is known as Andy in school. His friends in school call him Andy, though his parents call him, understood, though he is known as, though he is called Andrew by his parents, but his parents call him Andrew. Got it? I hope you have understood what I wanted to say. These three, I think only these three were left, or I don't know, maybe many were left. Sometimes you have to write go through. Go through. Go through means number one, experience. Meaning number one, you can write experience. Number one, experience. Like he is going through bad times. He is going through. He is going through bad time. He is going through bad times. Understood? Or he is going through difficult times, you can say. Understood? He is going through difficult times. You can write this number one, and number two can be, pass by. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Like, go by. As the days go by, sometimes, I forgot to tell you actually that. I have told you, go through. Understood? Sometimes, go through means to, go through number one experience. I have told you he is passing through bad times, or he is going through difficult times. You can say go through means, to read or study. Read or study. Like go through the letter. If you say someone go through the letter or paragraph or line. Understood? You want someone to go through it. Or if you see something for a short span of time, just for mistakes, you can also say go through. Understood? Like you tell your friend, please go through my letter for spelling mistakes or grammatical mistakes. Understood? Got it? If you say to your friend that please go through my letter to see whether I have made, for spelling mistakes means, if you want your friend to go through your letter, you generally want him to, you please go, if you tell your friends, understood? Hello, please go through my letter to see whether, please go through my letter to see whether I have written it correctly or not. Understood? Understood? Got it now? So you go through my letter to see whether I have written it correctly or not. It means you want your friend to check. So go through here means to check. Understood? What is the meaning of go through? To check. To check. Check my letter. To review it. Do you get it? Sometimes the bad experience that I am going through means you are passing through bad experience. Like I told you, no, go by. Just to show the passage. Understood? Go by here I have told you as the days go by with the passage of the days. Understood? Go by here to pass. Understood? Go by as the days go by. As the days go by. As the days go by, I am getting older. Understood? What do you mean? As the days go by means as the days pass, with the passage of time I am getting older. Do you get it? Do you get? So I hope you have understood. Sometimes go over means the same as go by, or go over means go through. Okay, go over my letter. Please, I have told you, no? I have just given example. Please go. Please go over my essay. Why do you say this? If you want your friend to go over your essay, you just want him to have a look at it. When I was going over it, when I was checking it, go over means same as, suppose if you are going over a river, what does it mean? You are going over the bridge that is across the river. Go over there means you indicate a very distant place. So with this, we have come to the end of this class. I am sure if you have liked my class, you don't hesitate to like my video. If you really like my class, don't forget to subscribe to my video. Bye.